Ladies and gentlemen, I swear the first time I saw this 1963 Dodge motorhome, I thought my neighbor Gary had finally upgraded from the tent he duct taped to his lawnmower. I believe this turquoise and white fiberglass time capsule is one of the coolest survivors of the Travco-era. And I think nothing screams road trip glory like a 26-foot rolling slice of 1960s optimism. Now, this beast rides on a 318 CI V8, 5.2 liters, pushing 200 horsepower to the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic transmission. I like the most how it growls like it wants to outrun time itself. Though at 100 miles per hour on the speedometer, I think the only way it's seeing that number is downhill with a tailwind and divine intervention. The last recorded bid hit 37,000 USD, about 34,000 euros, which, for something this iconic, feels surprisingly fair. The exterior? A turquoise dream with white bumpers, dual air horns that'll wake up an entire campground, a duotherm roof AC, and a rear ladder for when you feel athletic. The paint has a scratch near the left rear taillight and a cracked decal. But hey, after 60 years, so do most of us. It rolls on 17.5-inch steel wheels wrapped in 215/75 Supermax HF1 tires installed in 2022. Backed by power-assisted drum brakes and leaf springs on a dually axle. Sturdy enough that even Gary said, "I'd trust that more than my ex's cooking." Inside, the turquoise upholstery makes the cabin look like a retro diner on wheels. Push-button transmission controls, kick panel vents, a Sony CD stereo, and 15,000 miles showing. Though the true mileage is unknown. Like the location of my friend Dan's missing camping chair. In the living space, you get a twin bed, a dinette that converts into a sleeper, overhead lighting, wood grain flooring, and a furnace. There's also a 6,600-watt Generac remote start generator, because nothing says luxury like starting your power with a click instead of a prayer. The kitchenette packs a 3-burner gas range, double basin sink, Dometic fridge, and molded fiberglass countertops. The wet bath even gives you a shower, so you're not forced to negotiate with campground washrooms. I think what impressed me most is how much has been refurbished. Plumbing repairs, new flooring, fresh upholstery, new spark plugs, and fluids. This isn't just an RV. It's a rolling renovation project done right.